Django, what is the difference between render underscore to underscore response and direct underscore to underscore template? What's the difference, in language a Python/Django noob can understand, in a view between render underscore to underscore response and direct underscore to underscore template? For example from Nathan Bora's Basic Apps Examples. But I've also seen and what's the difference, what to use in any particular situation?
This URL. Render is a brand spanking new shortcut for render underscore to underscore response in 1.3 that will automatically use request context that I will most definitely be using from now on. (2020) Edit. It should be noted that render underscore to underscore response was removed in Django 3.0. This URL. Render underscore to underscore response is your standard render function used in the tutorials and such. To use request context you'd have to specify context underscore instance equals request context request. This URL. Direct underscore to underscore template is a generic view that I use in my views, as opposed to in my URLs, because like the new render function, it automatically uses request context and all its context underscore processors. But direct underscore to underscore template should be avoided as function-based generic views are deprecated. Either use render or an actual class, see, this URL. I'm happy I haven't typed request context in a long time.
Rephrasing Yuri, Fabio, and Frost's answers for the Django noob, i.e. me, almost certainly a simplification, but a good starting point? Render underscore to underscore response is the original, but requires you putting context underscore instance equals request context request in nearly all the time, APITA. Direct underscore to underscore template is designed to be used just in URLs.py without a view defined in views.py, but it can be used in views.py to avoid having to type request context. Render is a shortcut for render underscore to underscore response that automatically supplies context underscore instance equals request. It's available in the Django development version 1.2.1, but many have created their own shortcuts such as this one or the one that threw me initially, Nathan's basic.tools.shortcuts.py.
Render is so there is really no difference between render underscore to underscore response except it wraps your context making the template preprocessors work. Direct to template is a generic view. There is really no sense in using it here, because there is overhead over render underscore to underscore response in the form of view function.
From Django docs. Render is the same as the call to render underscore to underscore response with the context underscore instance argument that forces the use of a request context. Direct underscore to underscore template is something different. It's a generic view that uses a data dictionary to render the HTML without the need of the views.py. You use it in URLs.py. Docs here.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.